In the last video, we learned how to animate the graph of y equals x squared without parametrization. I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing now, but with parametrization. Pretty much the same thing, but instead of x squared, we're going to type in with parentheses t comma t squared. And we can see that only the piece of the graph between 0 and 1 is currently showing. I'm going to change over to blue. And all right, so let's go ahead and set our boundaries from -3 to 3, which is what we used last time. And if I want control over the upper boundary, I need to replace this 3 with a b. You can think b for boundary. And we're going to go from -3 to 3. Whoop, -3 to 3. And this gives us control of the upper boundary of the parabola, right? If we go all the way to the end, it's just a little speck. But if we go to 3, we get the full graph. And then we're going to let our lower boundary be a, add a slider for a. And we're going to set this as, well, -3 to 3 as well. And right now, a and b are acting independently. A controls the left boundary, b controls the right boundary. We're going to make our lives a little easier here, and we're actually going to make a depend upon b. First, let's change b from 0 to 3 so it just covers the right half of the parabola. Then a, we're going to make -b, meaning as b extends from 0 to 3, a will extend from 0 to -3, giving us an animation from the middle. Let's change here to just once, and we'll slow it down. And we only have to hit one play button now. This gives us an animation from the middle that depends upon one slider.